Besties with Petsies.
We're going to be showing you some of these really cool pop sticks. That's what we call them.
And our cats love them so much. So first of all, you're going to take a shortened popsicle stick and put a little dollop of glue right there.
Be careful not to burn yourself.
Yes. So
you should ask a grown up to help.
And then glue on the end of your string. Kind of blow on it, let it dry for a few minutes. But we don't have time for that, so just gonna have to do it right now. So you're gonna kind of scatter the yarn a little bit like randomly around the stick. Almost so it makes kind of like a waffle shape. You can do whatever you want. And then you're gonna do a little dollop of hot glue again and then secure it so your cats don't like just rip it apart in one little play. And then you're going to cut off the excess. Once again, wait for it to dry so you don't burn yourself. And then glue your two little pom-poms at the end. We're using blue since we think blue is really pretty, don't we, Joycey?
Oh, yeah. Cats got the color blue if you didn't know that.
They're like bright colors that they can see really, really well. So that is your finished pop stick. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and click that bell so you don't miss any new videos. Hope you enjoyed.